Welcome, I'm using Motorola Moto G71, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you'll want to hold the power key and then select power off. Once the device turns off, hold power key and volume down at the same time. You will see the fastboot mode, so from here, using volume keys, as you can see right here indicated, you want to scroll down so you have recovery mode selected and then confirm it with power key. Give it a second, and next thing we should see is an Android with no command, which should be right about now. There we go. So once you see this page right here, you want to hold power key and press volume up once, and this will take you to the recovery mode. Now, just as before, you will navigate through the menu right here using volume keys, and then power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And from here we can reboot the device, reboot the bootloader, which takes us back, and we can enter fastboot mode, which also does the same thing as bootloader. And the first page that we see once we held power key and volume down is basically fastboot and bootloader in one. So going down further, we have updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, factory reset, mount system, few logs, and run test. So I want to leave this mode right now because there's nothing more to show you here, so I'll stick with the reboot system now, which takes me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.